I'm going to review my product, which is Telegram, and this is given to me by my mentor Dr. Prasad. Let's begin. I took the topic on telegraphic, which is similar to Telegram, and I've made it switch a bit. Telegraphic is the company name I came with, and I would suggest to put extreme barriers such that the user gets banned upon sending any explicit content such that it violates one's privacy without the consent of providing your disclaimer. That's like in today's society and all, many of unwanted things are coming in the Telegram app, and to avoid that we have to put extreme barriers. We have to go to the next level. Next, and the feedback I collected during the empathy phase is that it can lead to the misuse of the file, hence enhanced checking needs to be implemented. It can be extremely helpful in business. We can see many of the business people advertising their products in Telegram and earning money through that, as well as their affiliate links, and growing their business. They are actually diversifying, and it needs to have a terminator for suspicious activity, that is for like terrorists and all. Recently Telegram CEO was caught up in some case about terrorism, so they need to keep a enhanced security for that, and customers can get all sorts of information in this app, is what the customers empathy phase information was given. And the features to be added according to the the feelings and the requirements of the people is that there needs to be enhanced security, as said in the previous slide, and also restricted use of explicit media, such that anything above 18 plus needs to be actually thoroughly scanned before being able to send it to Telegram. And if it is beyond the limits of what we can see, if it is NSFW, which is not suitable for watching, it needs to be banned instantly. And it also, we can implement for some type of method where guardians consent for use of app for more than an hour for children or teenagers below the age of 16 or below the age of 13 is better, so that they can't actually be in this app for more than an hour. And the futuristic name I came up with is Pentagram. In this, the real working model for Telegram is actually not too much to work on. It's actually the same logo, just redefined a little bit, where the plane has a little tail at the end. That's it. And for the working models and the testing stage, I actually encourage you viewers to give positive comments for this presentation video, and tell me what you think about this video in the comments.